Hey everyone, how to solve for x when you're given a bit of a complicated question. It says x squared minus 4x is equal to 17 minus 60 all over x squared minus 4x. Right. So first thing is first, we look at the complicated part. This 60 all over x squared minus 4x. So notice that we have x squared minus 4x here, and then we have x squared minus 4x this side. All right. This simplifies our equation a little bit. So what we can do here, we can let x squared minus 4x equals to k. Right. This will simplify our equation a little bit. Okay? So here we'll have what? K is equals to 17. K is equals to 17 minus 60 all over k. Right. When it's like this now, it looks simpler rather than the complicated part like that. Right now it looks a bit simpler. Then we can multiply by k everywhere. Can multiply by k. Multiply by k. So k times k will give us k squared, right? Is equals to 17 times k, it will be 17k. And then this k and this k will cancel. Then we'll remain with minus 60. Now things are getting a little bit simpler. Right. So we'll take 17k to the left hand side and 60 to the left hand side. So we remain with k squared minus 17k plus 60, because they change sign when they are transferred to the other side of the equation, is equals to 0. So when you have it like this, then this is what you can do. We can find factors of 60. Factors of 60, that will give us 17. Right, so to look for those factors, 12 times 5. 12 minus 5 gives you 12 plus 5. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right. So we can have 12, because we need to have minus 17. We can have k. Then we have minus 12. Then we can have k minus 5 is equals to 0. When we have it like this, k times k gives you k squared. K times minus 5 gives you minus 5k. Minus 12k gives you minus 5k. And minus 12k gives you minus 17k. Minus 12 times 5. Minus 12 times minus 5 gives you positive 60. So that means now we have solved for k. So our k is going to be equals to 12, or k is equals to 5. So we have solved for k now. But we know that k is equals to what? X squared minus 4x. Right. So in place of k, where we have k, we'll have x squared minus 4x is equals to 12, right? Because our k is x squared minus 4x is equals to 12. Okay? And then we'll take the 12 the other side of the equation. So x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. When we have it like this, then we can factor out again. Equals to 0, right? So x squared minus 4x minus 12, we can have what? X this side, x this side. Factors of 12, that will give you minus 4. Right. So we need the factors of 12. that will give you minus 4. Minus 4. So 6 times 2 is 12. Right. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we can have minus 6 plus 2. Right. So when we have it like this, then x times x gives you x squared. X times 2 gives you 2x. Minus 6 gives you minus 4x. Then gives you minus 12 when you multiply them. So your x is going to be equals to 6 or x equals to negative 2. So you have solved for x in one part. But we have two parts. So the second part is that, okay, then we'll use the second part now. Second part, k is equals to 5, which means x squared minus 4x equals to 5. Right. Then we're going to take it to the other side. So x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. When we have it now like this, then this is what we can do now. We'll find factors of 5 that will give us minus 4. So this will be x minus 5x plus 1. Right. When we times this, x times x gives you x squared. X times 1 gives you 1x. Minus 5 times x will give you minus 4x. Then minus 5 times 1 will give you negative 5, which is equals to 0. Then our final answer is going to be x is equals to 5 or x is equals to negative 1. So these are the values of x. This is how you substitute k to solve this complicated equation. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning content.